This will cover any truck from 92 to 97. So diesel, Power Stroke, any diesel, any gas, it'll cover this. If you're having problems with your thermostat cable, or it's a cable actually, if you're having trouble where it won't turn, or it'll turn a little bit and it won't move, chances are your cable's probably rusted, or this piece here needs oil. So take off the trim piece that goes along here. Take that off, and there's two screws on the top part of your bezel piece that goes around your thermostat or your control housing. Take those out, and it'll be clipped in the bottom. Just pull it out. Be careful. It's 30-year-old plastic or whatever. Take it loose. Get your little double D. And well, there's 4 screws that hold the this control board in. It'll be 2 here, 2 there, and that one's all cracked. Great. Gotta be careful about that. Old plastic breaks. And on that, you'll have a cable that hooks up to your temperature control. And spray that double D 40 there at the end where the cable comes out at. And then spray some on this if that looks dry, and it'll hopefully free it up. I got this one freed up. At least it'll turn to the heat part of it. To go back to the air conditioning, it's a little stiff. It's truck set out in the field for 10 years, so moisture and stuff was not kind to it. Didn't have doors on it or nothing. I've actually put doors on it, but yeah. So if you're having problems with it sticking, just pull it out and try to clean it up some. Or if you need to replace lights, the lights are right there. Pretty simple to replace. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope it helped you out.